This is Ablative Absolute number 1 here. So, not a complete sentence, just a fragment. Once the soldiers had disembarked. Okay. Well, we know here is the noun. And this is going to be our participle. So the question is, what kind of a participle are we going to use here? And we'll disassemble this in English first, then we'll go to the Latin. We can ignore this and the helping verb, because of course we're not going to translate them into Latin. We're just going to have a noun and a participle. So disembark. Let's take a look here. Here's your noun, miles militis masculine. It's a third declension. So we're going to use the third declension endings there. And the stem will be there, M-I-L-I-T. Now disembark, aggredior, aggredi, aggressus sum. Those are our principal parts, 1, 2, and 3. Right off the bat, you'll notice it only has 3. And you'll also notice that the principal parts are passive. So this is a deponent verb. That means it has passive verb forms and active meanings, which is a darn good thing, because what I've got up here, and of course I rigged this, once the soldiers had disembarked, well, it's past tense, but it's active. But there's no Latin perfect active participle. So it's a good thing we've got these deponent verbs. We can use the perfect passive participle right there, and it will have an active meaning. Perfect. So, first rule, always do the noun first. So we need, there's the noun. It's going to be ablative, because we're doing ablative absolutes. It's going to be plural, because it's soldiers, right? That's plural. So it's going to have that stem. So I start with M-I-L-I-T. And I know it's third declension. The ablative plural of third declension is ibus. Okay. So it's ablative plural masculine. Now, let's get this. Here's our stem, aggress. So I'm going to write the stem, aggress, and it has to agree with its noun in case, number, and gender. Again, this is ablative, plural, masculine, and if I go down, eorum is os is. There it is. Militibus aggressis. Passive verb form, it's a perfect passive participle, but active meaning deponent verb.